In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get useful results from your PDF once it's uploaded. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account so you can access the interface fully. A stable internet connection helps here because you'll be uploading a file. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main chat area with a prompt box near the bottom where you normally type messages. Next, look near that prompt box for the option to add a file. Depending on the layout you're seeing, it may appear as a Files or Upload button, and it often shows up as a small plus sign or a paperclip icon. It's close to where you'd type your message, so keep your eyes on that section of the screen. If you don't immediately spot it, try hovering your mouse around the prompt area. Sometimes the icon becomes more obvious when you're about to interact with it. Go ahead and click that upload icon. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, select the PDF you want to use, and confirm. If your file name is long, take a quick look to make sure it's the correct document. If your PDF is very large or contains lots of images, the upload may take a little longer than usual. During the upload, you may see a progress indicator or a brief status message. Once the file finishes uploading, you're ready to interact with it. In the prompt box, tell Gemini what you want to do with the document. Clear, direct instructions work best. For example, you could say, summarize this document, list the key points, extract action items, or answer questions based on this PDF. If you're looking for something specific, add details like section names, page numbers, or topics to guide the response. The more precise your request, the more targeted and helpful the output will be. If the response needs adjustment, refine your prompt by clarifying what you want more or less of, such as asking for a shorter summary, more examples, or citations to the relevant parts of the PDF. You can continue the conversation without re-uploading the file as long as it remains attached to the session. That's all there is to it. Open gemini.google.com and sign in, find the Files or Upload button near the prompt, select your PDF, wait for it to upload, and then give a clear prompt about what you want from the document. With these simple steps, you'll be getting useful insights from your PDFs in no time.